2025 nigo ebikaro bunge County Assembly ya Nyamira biranirwa abwase boigo egati ya aba MCA kurwa ase nseme yo banyaka baba ukwanda amangana mange abigira konekigwa ase amutkamaiga nabo nigo ebikaro be County Assembly ya Nyamira byaragwa amo nomonogari omochole bunge ye County Assembly ya Nyamira Hon.Thaddeus Nyabaro asabirka otemna nerbuya egati ya aba MCA nabo gabara kurwa ase County Nyamira kobe kachito bauti cyabo cyagisiasa kando nago chama munenchiremo yo konekinge County Nyamira yabirike kukina kemagendero roboti uru ni guru aliganigano mulikito Ivon Muriasi
Omonogeri omochore bunge ya Nyamira Hon.Thaddeus Nyabaro ni kolitukoria lera baligania babunge mayaga yo kwiro mutimoko wesu gukwasegeka kyo mutienyo yomo ekara basegeta bairanirire Emeremo yabo asobwango mono erio baikiranie amaganyo yaba na inchi baria babachorete.
Honorable members, as we resume back from the recess, I extend my warm welcome back to the House following our festive prayer. I trust that you had a productive and rejuvenating period with your families. On behalf of the County Assembly Service Board and on my own behalf, I wish you a happy new year. I urge all of you to approach your duties with the renewed vigor and a sense of urgency and a commitment to serving the people of Nyamira.
Asense mende nigaba segeta kubwaterana na gukora Emeremo asobwamo na omurembe.
We wish to work together as a team, and with the team spirit we shall win, and we will serve our people with a lot of dignity and success.
Na sensema ya babunga baigani batabire bunamba chikoro kya maunchorerio ase bitambokero barachikoiro mwako yoiga erio mayaga yoko bagekana kwa betego ko eneke wase bunge yo omwako eta.
We want to at least to close this year together so that we work with the new minds, new reasoning, new love. So it's a year of jubilee, and we need at least to embrace unity and togetherness so that we can realize the mistake we made, the picture, the image that we showed to our public. It's now high time that we need to show our public that there is hope in this year 2025.
Niko baboliria babunge baria bayirechinga kiguikirane bikaro bye bunge yo na barabukoirana herio babwaterane.
Those members who haven't been attending, let's open a new chapter and let everybody attend this assembly and work from here. And that's when we can be united. We cannot be united unless we come together, recognize a speaker, recognize a house leadership, then we work as a team. We embrace our 12 brothers and sisters, let them come and sit down with us, and we develop the mirror.
Emeremo yaya balikia mangana nigo yae woko boka ase bunge yo.
Mr. Speaker, I would like to take this opportunity to wish all members of this County Assembly, those present and those absent, a happy and prosperous new year. I cannot leave out the 40th state. I would like to wish them happy and prosperous new year because they are the people who inform our people on what goes on. Without them, we cannot do anything. They are our ambassadors as they cover us as we do the work that we are elected to do.
Kuripotera KCTV kurwa se kaunti ya Nyamira, Ivon Muriasi.